Forex swing trading live. Swing trading is very favorite to many traders. That's why I made a live video about how you can use swing trading, how you can trade our market using the basics of swing trading. And I use one very simple indicator, that is our default indicator, that is stochastics indicator. This is Euro CAD chart, Euro against Canadian dollar, and time frame is 4 hour. We need to set up one indicator, that is stochastic oscillator. The level is by default 20 and 80. I'm just changing the colors of the main signal. So this is in my chart blue and white. Okay, the core system is, allow me to change the property of the rectangular from white to red. Okay, here market is making swing point, so we need to be very careful when we watch the market. Like here, this is the point. When market came here, then we see that at the same time market is, stochastic oscillator is telling us that market is in overbought zone, that is above 80 period. When stochastic will be above 80 period and we see any bearish candle or any swing point, then we can easily sell here. Allow me to change the horizontal line property from white to at this point. Again, when market came here, then we see market is in 80 period, touching 80 period. We can again sell here. Market didn't broke the highest high, rather market came from here to here. When we came here, we see market is in oversold period, that means 20. We can buy here. If we bought here, 1:1 is done. If we sold here, more than 1:5 is done. Then when we came here, we see market is in, we see a bearish candle, market is in overbought zone, we can sell here. When we got here, we see market is in over sold zone, so we can buy from here. If we bought here, we can make 1:2, more than 1:3. When we come this point, we see market is in overbought zone, we can sell here. Again, when we will come here, we see that market is in oversold zone, and we see a very good setup, that is bull candle, doji bull candle, so that means market will rise now. If we sold here, we can also make 1:1. When it comes here, we see market is in overbought zone and we see a bearish candle, so we can sell here. Remember that we will not sell here, because market oscillator didn't show us any signal. So when oscillator shows a signal, then we can took the trades filtering our oscillator indicator. And if we just took these points, we can make handsome amount of pips by trading the very simple strategy, this stochastic indicator, just filtering out the swing point, which swing point is preferable and which swing point is not preferable. Like we will not take this trade because it doesn't touch our 20 period moving average. We will not take this trade, it doesn't touch our, although very near, but it doesn't touch our 20 period moving 20 period oscillator, stochastic oscillator. So we can catch this swing point with the help of this oscillator.